Welcome to our journey into the heart of Second Timothy, chapters 1 to 4, where wisdom and warmth leap from timeless words.
Imagine a heartfelt letter penned with love, encouragement, and a dash of urgency from Paul to his dear friend Timothy. Are you ready to uncover its profound secrets?
Let's dive in. Chapter 1 sets the stage with Paul's tender reminder to Timothy that God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and love. 2 Timothy 1:7. It's a compelling call to boldness, urging Timothy to hold firmly to his faith despite challenges.
Paul reassures him that God's grace is a force stronger than any adversity. Now, keep that curiosity piqued as we journey into chapter 2.
Here, Paul uses vivid metaphors, like the diligent soldier and the hardworking farmer, to emphasize endurance and dedication. It's an inspirational rally to stay committed and spread the gospel, inviting us to reflect on the strength that comes from God's truth. In chapter 3, the plot thickens as Paul paints a vivid picture of troubled times ahead, warning Timothy of false teachings. He describes a society losing its moral compass, but reminds us of the power of Scripture to equip us for every good work. 2 Timothy 3:16-17. This is a gripping reminder of the staying power of true wisdom. Finally, chapter 4 is an emotional crescendo. Paul, aware of his nearing martyrdom, imparts his last wishes. He charges Timothy to preach, whether in convenience or hardship, 2 Timothy 4:2, reminding us of the urgency and importance of sharing faith. Paul's closing reflections are a touching testament to a life fully dedicated. In this beautiful letter, we see themes of courage, perseverance, truth, and the call to share faith.